Okay, so number one, this video is not made for the public. This video is only made for your following. And the problem is that you don't need a reel for this. So if you're going to take the time to do a cool little reel, wear a nice little white shirt and a black tie and do all this, just make the audio a little bit better and let's get into some value. So let's talk a little bit about this. So let me read his description. When it comes to changing your paradigms and creating new habits, you need to use the concept of SMART goals. Specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, timely. But in particular, it needs to be attainable. I'm all for thinking big and setting massive goals so you grow in the brand you need when you're trying to change. Okay, so what is the lesson? I don't want to watch the video. But I should be able to figure it out, though, without watching the video, at least what it's about, right? So, okay, let's just say you're going to teach SMART goals in this video. Well, the thing that I'm not seeing here is, why do I care? What's in it for me and why do I care? So this is the feedback I would give is, I would give something along the lines of problem solution, right? So you could start with something that says, something simple that says, okay, let's just say, have you guys ever seen this problem in the market where entrepreneurs are doing this, and they always seem to fail? Well, there's a solution for that. And the solution is called SMART goals. And SMART goals stand for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and timely. So if you can, write these down real quick. I'll put them up on the screen or take a screenshot. So I'm going to show you in this video how to use SMART goals to be able to solve this problem so you stop failing and you start getting that result. Let's go.